video was highly requested by my sister. She's been nagging me to do it for like the longest time. So I figured maybe someone else is interested because the level of interest that she has in this video is bizarre. So this video is going to be a what's in my bag video. So the bag that I carry to work is limited edition designer. It's American Eagle. And I got it from Payless. When y'all know Payless be closing down. So of course, you got to get you one quick before the shop closes because it's going to be limited edition soon. So I got some of me have a limited edition brand name designer things. Yeah. So I don't carry a handbag because I just carry way too many things. And I don't carry a lot of things, but I carry way too many things. So I bring one of these bad boys with the little flaps. I don't remember what you call bags like this. I feel like it's called just like a regular backpack, but with a different name. I don't remember. In Jamaica, you just say it's a matey bag. But I don't know if it's classified as a matey bag because it's so big. I'm rambling. I'm sorry. So yes, this is the bag that I carry. You know, get you one. The first thing that's in my bag, which is like poking out, is gum. And I always have gum. And I've honestly maybe had this pack of gum for a really long time. Because since I've gotten braces, I don't know how to chew gum. Like I think I just recently learned how to chew gum like a week ago. Yes, I know that sounds stupid, but I just learned how to chew gum, and even when I do, it's like lip smacking chewing and it's gross. But yes, I have dirty mouth, clean it with Orbits gum in my bag. I also have a cellular device. This is my office phone that I never use, that is dead. And if my manager sees this, she's gonna roll her eyes all the way over to Timbuktu. But I just don't believe in the philosophy of having two phones. I'm just use my personal phone to the work. And it's an Android, so what am I gonna do with that? I don't even know how to use it. I have an old pack of empty Trident gum in my bag too. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I'm one of those people where things go into my bag but they never come out. You know, like I just continually add things but I don't take things out, so my bag just gets heavier and heavier each time. Yep, that's me. So I guess I'll just throw this away now. You know, since it's garbage. Another empty pack of gum. Wow. Wow, this video may not go up. Y'all gonna think I'm nasty. I have a wall jack. What do you call these? Wall jack thing for your charger. I have the charger for the office phone that I never use, but I have it. Does that count? I got my good old chapstick. So I always like put on chapstick throughout the day, especially now that I have braces, because your lips will get stuck to your metal, like, and that's painful and disgusting. So I always make sure to moisturize my lips. This is chapstick candy cane, so it tastes and smells like candy cane. And I brought it home for my nephew, but he clearly didn't get it. So I'm just gonna put this back in here because it's leaking. You know, I know this is gross. I'm really sorry. Oh my god, so these are Girl Scout cookies that they gave away at my office, I think maybe about 4 months ago. I always have food in my bag. Like there's this candy that a lady from my office brought back from China, and we tried them at work and they were disgusting, and I said I was gonna bring them home and let like my nephew eat them on video, but I forgot. So all of them are still in my bag. Ooh, this is a pop socket. I have no idea where I got this. Where do I have these? Where I get these things from? And I have a bunch of matchsticks in my bag as well, you know, in case we ever need to light a fire. We haven't reached inside the bag yet. So my bag has these little compartments, and that's what I'm showing you. Like I haven't gotten inside my bag yet. It's wild. I have some headphones, and these are regular jack headphones that I use in my laptop at work. I have some cuticle oil because my cuticles be mad dry during the daytime, so I gotta, you know, make my hands look cute. And this is actually made by like a local nail tech, Her name is Beauty by Giadal. And it's like one of those push-up things, and has a little brush, and you just went bloop, 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 bloop. Cuticles moisturized, looking fine. This one's peach flavored. I mean scented. I haven't tasted it, I promise. I got some fish oil because when you're working out, you need to repair your joints. I have lots of vitamins in my bag, like lots of vitamins that I'm supposed to take daily but always forget. So I have omega-3 fish oil. I got my purse. This one's actually designer, Steve Madden. If you don't think that's designer, then I guess you're too rich for me, but I do. You know, but this one's not limited edition. I have these little pouches I got from Sephora that I repurposed to be my, what I call my pad bag. I don't know if there's like another name, but I feel like officially in Jamaica, it's like a pad bag where you literally carry your pads, your panty liners, your tampons. I got some pain medicine in here, a different kind of pain medicine. I normally have underwear in here, but I guess I used that one already. Yep, that's my pad bag. Always have this, it's so important. So I think there's a growing trend here. You hear that sound? That's more prescribed medication that I have not finished. But I think this was from when I got like laryngitis, and then my voice came back, so it was like, whatever, I don't need that. So I literally have like a whole paper bag here of medicine, and I think all of this was from when I got laryngitis. Yeah, so I have my glasses case because I do wear glasses. These are Tommy Hilfiger. Oh my god, I be fronting today. Hello. I have my laptop charger that's neatly wrapped. See, me not so bad. You know, it wrap up nice so it don't get tangled up in the bag. I have some receipts. I brought the receipts. Oh look, more medication. What on? I also have more supplements. So these are cranberry supplements. They're really good for vaginal health. It's really why I take them, if I'm being honest. Cranberry supplements, they're really good for like your bladder and stuff like that, you know. I also have some vitamin C because you just never know. I got some Listerine, which I haven't used, but I have no idea why. Got my Listerine here. More medication. I have this Amazon gift card that I got 2 Christmases ago. A pain medicine. I always have my Advil liquid gel minis with me, in case like I get a headache or anything like that. These things literally work wonders. They work super fast. I recommend them. Always have these, okay? I have the case for my earpods because I didn't take the charger out of them, so I just bring the box so when it needs to charge at work I can just charge it. So I have my earpods, and yes, they're still in the case that they came in. I don't care. I'm this person. So I have my earpods, and I use these when I want to like talk on my phone, but I don't want to be on my phone. Oh my god, I totally forgot I got this. So it's a tea. Oh my god, what do you call those? It's like a loose leaf teapot. So you put your loose leaf tea in, then you put it in your tea and you take it out by the leaf, and then when you take it out, you rest it in this. So adorable, right? Thanks, Anna. Oh my god, I begged somebody at work for this, you know. I think it's one of those things where like you attach to your keys and it's like helps you to find your keys. I might be wrong. Let me read the instructions. I don't remember what it is. I I remember asking the person for it though, thinking, oh my god, can I have it? I guess I didn't really need it. Yep, it's tracking for your key, so you put it on your key ring. Oh my god, this is so cool. I'm gonna put it on my. My sister should get this. She loses her keys every morning when she's dropping my nephew to work, to school. And I have two. So they're like things that you put on your keys, so when you lose them, you can track them using an app. So you can find where in your house they go missing. Wow, I have so many cool things in my bag. I'm so amazed. The next thing I got in my bag is like my oral care stuff. So it's like my braces kit, equipped with a toothbrush, toothpaste, wax, another toothbrush, a timer, floss, a mirror, like a bunch of shit that they gave us, that they gave me for free. More drugs! So these are actually like women multivitamins that I take supposedly every day, because me I get old and I need my body for peppy, you understand? Want to live longer, so? But these actually make me sick, so I don't take them as often. This is my vacation planning book. It has a mermaid, and it has all the things that I'm going to be doing on my vacation, and the journey, and all the things that I need to do before my vacation. I'm like a real sucker for planning trips, because I don't play anything by the ear when I go on vacation. Like, all my days are always planned out, and the days that I don't plan out are always the worst days, because I end up doing nothing. So I don't want to do that. So here I am. And the last thing that's in my bag is my laptop, and this is my work laptop, of course. Oh wait, there's a zip in here. Let me see if there's something hidden in here. I hope it's money. That's a receipt. I really hope you guys enjoyed that. That was low-key really fun. I was like genuinely surprised by some of the things that I have in my bag that I'm gonna start using now. And I'm gonna clean this bag because it needs some cleaning. It got all that food and sweeties. Comment below and let me know what's one weird thing that you keep in your bag. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.